this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to set up, deposit, and withdraw on Telegram Wallet. So we're going to locate our Telegram app and we're going to open it. At the bottom of the screen, we're going to click on Settings, and then we're going to look for the option of Wallet. You can see Wallet here, so we're going to click on it. And of course, you want to agree the terms of use and continue. And here you can see the first stage of creating your wallet, so you're going to click on Let's Go. And this is how you can set up your wallet. And for us to deposit, so all we need to do is to click on More Assets or on the currency. We're going to click on dollars, and we're going to click on Receive or Add Crypto. And we're going to click on Add Crypto. And here you can see Buy Crypto or P2P Market. So if you want to deposit your dollars, you could buy crypto through your card, or you could buy P2P from others. The same thing goes with your other assets. So we're going to click on More Assets, and you can see Toncoin, Bitcoin, and Notcoin. So we're going to click on Bitcoin. And here, if you would like to deposit Bitcoin, you have the option to add crypto. So when you click on Add Crypto, you also have the option to use your card or to use the P2P market. So if you want to receive Bitcoin from others, you can click on Receive. You're going to be asked to verify because this is a new account. You're going to put your phone number. So after putting all the credentials, you can click on Receive again. And here you have your Bitcoin address or the alphanumeric address, which you can use for deposits. And of course, if you would like to withdraw, you can select the currency or any of the assets and go ahead and click on Send. Now, when you click on Send, you can send this to anywhere you want, but of course, you need to have some assets already in your wallet. So this is how to set up, deposit, and withdraw on Telegram Wallet.